2018, and I'm going to show you guys around the show today and show you guys some of the products that we're interested in importing. So I'm here, there's a lot of different brands from a lot of different countries, and we are looking at importing new Cookstoves lines. So I hope you enjoy this video, and definitely please leave us feedback on the products that we're showing you and let us know if you would be interested in these products. Again, this is Sarah with Obadiah's.
This is the Manincor booth. So this is the Domino 8. Over here we have the Domino, which is also another model that we have in North America. And here on the Domino 8, you can see we've got a nice hot flame going on, and look at how clean that glass is. And over here we have the Domino 6. So Hergom is actually the parent company for Hearthstone. So we currently sell the Hearthstone, the Diva 100. Same company makes these, but this is their upgraded model. So this one is really cool. I like this a lot. So it has a glass cooktop here, and a cast iron griddle at the end with a top vent flue. But you can lift up this glass cooktop, which gives you a cast iron top below. This is pretty unique. I really like this. I think this is one of my favorite products. Here in the firebox and the oven, this is also one of the largest ovens I've seen on the market. So here you have 3 different racks. You can see it's quite deep. Firebox is quite large as well. Now this model is unique because of the castings on it. So here you can see both the inner and the outer door is double layered with cast iron. This door probably weighs 70, 80 pounds just for the door. This is your air regulator. It is automatic, which is a nice feature to have. You do have the pan drawer here as well. So Hergom Stoves actually has the largest foundry in Europe, which is pretty cool because they produce all of these castings themselves. They do not do any outsourcing, and they have very large casting machines because these are produced in single pieces. This model over here doesn't have the cooktop that lifts up. Right now it's shown with the cast cooktop. You can also do a ceramic glass, and then you do have the griddle located here below this pan. Top vent flue. This one does have the same firebox and oven size. Inside the door here, it is just a single cast iron door. So it does not have the double layer. It also doesn't have the auto air regulate. So obviously this model would sell for a little bit less. I don't know if you can see on the front, but the front of the stove is curved, whereas this model is flat. So this is a model I'm seriously interested in importing into North America. What do you guys think? Is this something you would buy? So Hergom is actually pretty much the top of the chain for cast iron products in Europe. They sell all over Europe. So this is a higher end stove. I would say that this model here with this glass cooktop would probably sell for around $7,000. That would probably include a free delivery. What do you guys think? Is this something you would buy in that range? I think it's a beautiful product. And here we have the Lacunza, the Vulcano 7T cast iron wood cooker. I really like this stove. I like these hot plates on the top. Cooktop below. What do you guys think about this stove? So these are some Nordica models that are not currently available in North America right now. These are stacked models. You can see they have various different color options, white, red, a lot of detailing on the side panels, as you can see here and here, some nice floral patterns. The height of these stoves is quite tall. I would say almost about probably 5 foot tall. So we are just looking for feedback. Do you like these models? Is this something you'd be interested in seeing? Particularly, I really like this soapstone one here. I think it looks really nice. Nice thick soapstone. You do get extra thermal storage with the soapstone models. So give us feedback, leave it in the comments, let us know what you think. This is a double stack cook stove. This is made by the company Royal. Wondering what you guys think about this green tile. It's a brighter green, slightly lighter than forest, kind of more like green grass. And what do you guys think of this color? Is this something you would buy for your home? Green stoves are becoming increasingly more difficult to find in North America. So, what do you guys think? This is the Syrios brand. This is a Greek stove line. This is a cast iron stove. Pretty cute. I like it. The firebox is a little bit small, but you can still get a decent length of log in there. So that's nice. I would say based on that burn time, or that size of the box, it'd probably burn 6 hours. Potential product to import. What do you guys think? This is another Syrios product. This comes from Greece. This is a cast iron stove. I think it's pretty cute. It looks similar to the Dutch West. If you see the decorative features on the side of the stove. Fairly large baking oven in here. And the baking oven is enamel. There are no racks though for your oven. So basically you can just fit one pan in there. The firebox, also cast iron. This is nice. This blocks your wood from hitting your glass. Doors are fully gasketed. Cast iron firebox. Ash pan located directly below. Now your oven clean out is located on the top of the stove directly below the cooktop. The flue does come standard with a damper control here. So this is a potential import. This product is cast iron with the baking oven. Probably sell around $3,000, $3,500 US dollars. That would likely include a free shipping. What do you guys think? Is this something you'd be interested in?